Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are looking at one more scenario. In the last video we have seen we have to fetch only the incident those have attachment, right? So this question is like updated for that one. So in that one what we have to do, we have to just write a unique one, like the unique. So I will let you know what the main is unique one, right? Suppose here you can see this is the incident table. If you don't know the things, so you just refer the previous video that I have created. So I will refer the link under this description of this video. So here you can see this is the attachment table. Now here you can see I will just remove the filter. So scenario is like in the incident table we want the unique count. So incident unique count of the uh, incident those have attachments, right? So here you can see we have a like 11 is there, right? 11 incident those have attachments. So just group by the sysid table sysid, just click on the right click on that one and just click on group by sysid. Now here you can see we have a 9 record, right? So just now you can see these are the two record that have two unique, two different, like more than one snapshot is having the same incident, right? So we want only one. We just remove. How can we achieve? Like I will just give a open the BR background script and just click on background script. Okay, and I will copy my code that I have used in a previous video. So here this is the code copy and I will just paste it here. Mm, and now I will updated that code, right? So what we have to do, we have to just in place of glide record we have to write glide aggregate, and we have to write uh, first we have to group by that incident dot group by, and group by with which variable, like we have a table underscore sysid. Here you can see we have what we have from which table, table sysid, right? So we just take the backend name of that one and just group by, and we have just make the count incident dot having add having. What we have to do, just we have to make the count is greater count is not more than one, and we make it as one, like count is one and not more than one, right? So now what we have to do is just that thing, that's it, and we have just add the increment and we have the numbers. Okay, now we have to execute this script. Click on run script. Now here you can see we have a 9 record, right? We have a unique numbers as of now, you can see in this one, right? So this is the script that we have written. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.